Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection but you cannot browse any browser or use Google Play Store on REALME C30. So in order to fix this, first let's try opening any website on our Google Chrome. As you can see, we can't reach it, and now let's move to Google Play Store. Here we can try downloading any app, but there's a pending state and it won't change. So now go back, open your settings, here scroll all the way down to find the system. Go for date and time and use network provided time right here. Now if we open our browser back on and reload the page, it loads normally. The same as with a Google Play Store. If we open it again and try installing, it should download. If not, we might need to restart the app, but it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.